In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Asana app for free on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the official desktop app safely and quickly, without any confusion or extra steps. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Asana app and press Enter. We're using Google here because it's the fastest way to reach the official source. On the results page, look carefully for the official Asana listing. You'll recognize it by the asana.com address. Sticking to the official site helps you avoid outdated or third-party downloads and ensures you're getting the most secure and current version. Next, in the search results, click the link that says Download the Asana app for mobile and desktop. This takes you directly to Asana's download page, where they provide the desktop app alongside mobile options. Even though you'll see mentions of mobile, don't worry, this page includes the PC download you're after. Once you're on the Asana download page, find and click the button labeled Download Now. The site usually detects your operating system automatically, so on a Windows PC, it should serve the correct installer without you having to choose anything. If your browser asks whether to save the file, go ahead and confirm. You'll typically see the download progress near the bottom of your browser or in the Downloads area. By default, it will land in your computer's Downloads folder, unless you've changed that setting. While the file is downloading, a couple of quick tips. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download completes without interruption. If your browser shows a small security prompt, check that the publisher is Asana and that the file name looks consistent with a desktop installer. This is normal and helps keep your system safe. Also, downloading the app is free, and the desktop app itself does not require any purchase. After the download finishes, you now have the official Asana installer on your PC. From here, you can open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen prompts to complete setup using the default options, which is what most people prefer. Once installed, you'll be able to launch Asana from your Start menu like any other program and sign in with your account to get started. That's all there is to it. You searched for the Asana app, clicked the official Download the Asana app for mobile and desktop link, and then selected Download Now to grab the PC installer. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Asana on your computer.